Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're looking at a bunch of double bead seals. We just ordered a bunch from Fletchair. Our order was short. We called Fletchair. They're making it right. No big deal. But we ordered the double bead seals, and we have the Canopy seals for the 2 and the 4-place airplanes as well. So stay tuned while we show you some more what was in the box from Fletchair. Thanks, folks.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And in addition to the double bead seals, we have the Canopy front seal. And there they are in their little bags. We got a bunch of those, and again we have videos on showing how to glue those all together. So that's the front seals. Then we also have a bunch of the bearings. Here's the 902013-1 bearing. Those are for the ailerons. They also go on the elevator. Then you also have the -2 bearings. These are for the flaps. These go inside. And then finally, we ordered a bunch of the -3 bearings, and they go with the big flap. So stay tuned. Now, we were also trying to order some of the oversized bearings, and they inadvertently sent us up the 2-place elevator bearings that are hidden inside. It's the most hidden bearing, and those are the 904003-3 sleeves you use with the oversized bearings. So we have some oversized bearings coming for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's a little bit about what we have going on here at the store for the Grumman Pilots Association, grummanpilots.net. Check out our store, check out our seals, our bearings, and our other Grumman parts. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fun day with your Grumman. Thank you.
You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.